After months of anticipation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's pivotal visit to the United States has unveiled plans to transform the economic landscape between the two nations. During his meeting with President Trump, several key points were discussed, highlighting significant changes in economic policies and bilateral cooperation. The leaders set an ambitious target to double bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030, reflecting a strong commitment to enhancing economic ties. This goal aims to increase trade volume and diversify the goods and services exchanged between the two countries. The move signifies a major shift in their approach to trade, aiming for a more balanced and prosperous economic relationship. Energy agreements formed a crucial part of the discussions, with the US poised to become India's top supplier of oil and gas. This shift is expected to balance trade deficits through increased energy exports, potentially leading to significant business opportunities in the energy sector, including oil, gas, and possibly civil nuclear energy. This agreement marks a strategic move to strengthen energy cooperation and reduce dependency on other energy sources. In the defense sector, major announcements including the potential sale of F-35 stealth fighter jets to India alongside other military hardware such as Javelin missiles and Stryker vehicles was made. This not only signals a deepening of defense ties but also opens avenues for American defense companies to establish deeper roots in India, including co-production and technology transfer. The defense collaboration aims to bolster India's military capabilities while fostering industrial partnerships. Addressing trade barriers, India proposed tariff cuts in various sectors like electronics and medical equipment. This move could ease tension over tariff and facilitate smoother trade relations. The tariff concessions reflect India's willingness to create a more favorable trade environment and respond to US concerns. Discussions on technology and innovation included collaboration in critical technologies like AI, semiconductors, and space. This could lead to joint ventures, R&D partnerships, and technology sharing, offering business opportunities to high-tech sectors. The emphasis on technology underscores the importance of innovation in driving economic growth and strengthening bilateral ties. Both leaders expressed interest in expanding market access and investment, which could lead to an influx of US capital into India, especially in sectors like manufacturing, technology, and pharmaceuticals. This mutual interest in investment highlights the potential for increased economic cooperation and growth. Finally, addressing immigration and legal mobility for students and professionals was highlighted. This could benefit businesses by easing the movement of skilled labor between the two countries. This aspect of the discussion aims to enhance people-to-people ties and support the growth of industries reliant on skilled professionals. These outcomes suggest a conducive environment for business expansion, investment, and strategic partnerships between US and India, aiming for balanced and prosperous economic relationship.